Guys, it finally came. We got ourselves the new Ninja Woodfire XL Pro Connect outdoor grill. That's a mouthful, everybody. Main things to take away is the XL part. So this thing's about 30% bigger than the first normal OG Woodfire grill, and Pro Connect. That's right, we're gonna be able to connect this bad boy to our phones. Can't wait to show you how we got it all done. Guys, I'm excited for this one. I've been waiting for the XL version to come out. It was something that I wanted since we got the original one a year ago. It needed to be bigger, so we got it bigger, right? And the other thing is they're stepping up their game to go along with all the other pellet grills out there that are coming out, where you got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, connectivity, so you can control the cook from indoors, right, and from your phone. Okay, so this is gonna be a good one. All right, can't wait to show you all the features. First off, we need to get this unboxed though. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, here's the setup. We got our main unit right there. Got our air crisp basket, the grill plate, instructions, quick start guide. Got thermometers. One was sent to me separate, but that's the one that came with it. Liner for the grease trap, and then the grease trap. Let's open this up. You can see the inside. All right. That's the inside. All right, y'all, so like I said, this is just gonna be a quick unboxing and first look, okay? Honestly, I don't know if I said that at the beginning, but that's what we're doing today. Go with it. Anyway, I'm gonna go over the features right quick, do a little overlay so you can see everything I'm talking about. I'm gonna go through setting up the Pro Connect feature because that is the most important thing to me, I believe, besides the size like we talked about, okay? Now, this was an easy app to find. There's a little barcode on there. Or you go to your app store and put Ninja Kitchen in there, search Ninja Kitchen, find it, set it up. I'm not gonna show you every part of my setup on here because I don't want you to have all my personal information and all that, my passwords and Wi-Fi, all that jazz. But you trust me, I did it right, okay? So far, it looks like it's very easy. I connected to the Bluetooth, I connected to Wi-Fi, in no time at all. Very simple to do, okay? And then checking out the app, obviously you want to register your Woodfire to it. That's easy to do. It's just a couple of pushes of the buttons, let it sync up. I'm allowing all the notifications on there because obviously you want to get them as you're cooking. And then when you're looking at the app itself, you have all the controls you want at your fingertips. Set it up for smoker. You want to adjust the temperatures, you want to adjust the timing. If you want to go on the grill mode and you want to set up the Woodfire technology button, a little toggle switch for that. We can get a little bit more in depth on that app later, but it looks like it's relatively easy to use. Cool. So that's, we'll revisit that later for sure. Looking at the stuff that comes with it, does not come with a cover, it doesn't come with a stand. No pellets came in this thing. I have a feeling Ninja got cheap on me and sent out, pretty much, the least amount of stuff that could come with it. It's pretty much par for the course for Ninja treats your boy after all the hard work I put in for him. Anyway, that's a conversation for another day. Air basket, or the air crisp basket, is significantly bigger than the other one, and I'll show you them side by side, and with the original Woodfire grill basket sitting in the XL basket, so you can see. I'm going to do the same thing with the grill plate. You can see the size difference on there as I stack them up or put them close together. Like I said, they say it's 30% more surface area for cooking, so that's what I'm thinking. I open it up. It looks like, just from the eyeball factor, and I haven't taken out a tape measure. We'll do that another time. It's probably a couple inches higher inside. It is significantly bigger and more heavy. Original Woodfire, I think it was 25 pounds, but this is about 40 pounds, just a shade under. You do not have to attach any legs or any handles like you did with the original one. This just comes out of the box ready to roll, okay? Comes with your quick start guide and your owner's manual, a couple tags hanging off for you know, the pellets and whatnot. All the usual suspects of, you know, a Ninja product. It has a couple recipes just loosely thrown in there. It's not like a menu book or a recipe book. If you guys need a cookbook for your Woodfire, I actually have two. I'll put links down below for them. Pretty much certain they're gonna be, you know, interchangeable with the XL. You may have to figure out, you know, the digitalness of it or how to set up the timing and the temperatures, but it still pretty much all applies. Mine came with two thermometer probes, temp probes, okay? Now I'm still partial to my temp spike and my lightning from ThermoPro. Those are my thermometers of choice, but of course I'm going to go ahead and use the ones that come with it. The thermometers that come with them are color coded gray and black, and there's actually, you know, the slots that they go in are color coded gray and black too, so you know which probe goes into which hole. Okay, has all the other features of the other Woodfire grill: the grill, smoker, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate. Still got that Woodfire flavor technology button. It has a really bright digital display in front. Pellet hopper on it, it's the same size as the original Woodfire grill. So you're gonna get your little half a cup of pellets. It comes with the tried and true pellet scoop here, okay? But other than that, guys, that's gonna kind of wrap this one up. I don't want to spend a lot of time just going through every little detail because, like I said, I'm just unboxing it. We'll learn it together, but to me, it seems relatively easy, especially with that app, okay? So make sure you check this out. If y'all want to get yourself one of these Woodfire Grill, the XL Pro Connect version, I'll have a link down below for it. It's an affiliate link, doesn't cost you anything more to use it, but it helps out your boy. Okay, like I said, I'll have the links for my Woodfire cookbooks down below too if you want to check them out. There's a bundle option where you save a couple bucks, so check that out. It goes to my website. Okay, if you'd like to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that can't wait to get their hands on the new XL Pro Connect Woodfire Grill. Ooh, that was a mouthful. Anyway, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Can't wait to see you on the next video when we break this bad boy in. So, y'all have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out the new grill with CJ. Cheers.